In this video, I'm going to show you how to log back into your Bluesky Social app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so go ahead and open up Bluesky. Then you'll be greeted to a page that looks like this. From here, under Create Account, we've got the Sign In button, so click on Sign In. And then you might have your details already saved. So if you do, go ahead and click onto your details and then put in your password. Alright, so once you put in your password, go ahead and click Next. If you've forgotten your password for any reason, go ahead and click on Forgot. Then you need to enter in your email address. So enter the email address you used to create your account. Will send you a reset code so you can set a new password. So go ahead and put in your email address and then go back and then put in your password and then click Next and you'll be logged in. I've just put my password back in, so now I'm going to click Next. And now it's going to log me in. Once you're logged in, you're going to be redirected to the home page of the Bluesky Social app.